Now let's talk about securing your wallet. Making sure that the device storing your wallet is well defended and malware free is one of the main concerns. Spyware such as keyloggers, which record all your keystrokes, can be used to steal your private keys. It goes without saying that your online activity on that device should not be one conducive to its infection. Do not surf websites that do not bear the SSL lock on the corner of the search bar where you see HTTPS. The S means that it's secure. You can also consider setting up a VPN, a virtual private network. Do not, I repeat, do not keep your coins on an exchange. Now, okay, obviously, there are a lot of trusted exchanges out there and they're okay for keeping small amounts when you're trading, but never keep big amounts of crypto on an exchange. Always make sure to have your personal secured wallet. Now, another way to secure it is using two-factor authentication. It is an app that links your wallet and it provides a random code every 30 seconds. Now, if the device is compromised, it cannot be accessed without that code. You can get Google Authenticator from Google Play or the App Store and simply download it. It's very simple to use. Now, it is not advisable to log into public networks, like at your coffee shop or your library. Conduct business on your private network. You should also have a hard copy of your credentials kept in a secure place, like a locked safe. And just to be sure, I will state the obvious, do not let anybody handle your device, unless you trust that person with your precious coins.
If you're looking for personal guidance, become a member of Read BTC's great community and step into the expert zone. This will allow you to have the skills of an expert at your fingertips. And it's only $49 a month. So what are you waiting for? Start learning today. Because earning depends on learning.